Igoritko ria rero ekiombe kamwe gia serikali kiara omoyega bogosegeta omwana omonyaruka kwerenda kigaki cy'umutima kumutambe ne kinga kichinde bno musekito dipon asanya agotumanya.
Kero mwana tari no kubwa kugochora asa kuiburwa aboroki wa kurwase chamate chire no konyora wainse nigo bagenderete koba no gosemeria kugonchuria amagima basama tukari busio
serieta nkoro kustela chuku como teminigi provincia siko dero tore se skulia daraja mbili amona abana banyaruka uitanye niye yemo abitokoa support ya sama somabo urwase umusaada kwa nyaruka kurwase Girls Opportunity Fund kwa America and Obama Foundation. Igore ro twalenge kubareta asise Obama Foundation aliyako ba obosenya ngana kibako yanda kuru bari asirwa weterekero bakuliya kisene cyabo.
Today we have over 100 girls here with us from 8 schools. These girls have been supported in terms of school fees, and now we're giving them mentorship on various issues. For example, issues to do with the violence, because when we were talking to the girls, we realized that apart from school fees, they were going through other challenges such as physical violence, sexual violence, and even emotional violence.
Asomurobelio bwokonyora maigelio elio kwirenda bno mwana omunyaruka gati yabalimu bali bakorere mechando abana baiga bagwetera nigo besokia nakogokera omurobelio yoiga o Girls Opportunity Fund.
Emily Nyamuse Nyakundi from Nyamira Secondary School. We were privileged by the SICOM society. They came to our school, they interviewed the girl. They took 17 girls. They paid their fees, and we are here for a clinic.
This is Orongo. I'm a teacher from St. Patrick's. I'm also representing my community of St. Patrick's here at SICOM's session. We thank SICOM for empowering these girls, especially financially. It has enabled them to access the education, and besides, they are doing a great job of mentoring these girls, especially the vulnerable girls. Here today, they are being taught about goal setting, importance of education, relationships, and also gender issues.
Ninyanabo enchira yemo yokwena nalibaga asekera umworokia.
Bana batugata abantu babo bali bali chinkakana bana bali barwete kifandiri tugate misando wao nabo agutegeka se program
nigereje ngencho mono asenchira yemo jogokiania ebikora byokonyora marito amapema.
We get to have an in-depth discussion with them, and we're able to help them sort out some of the problems that they have at home, help them to navigate through those challenges. And the reason why we are supporting girls is because they experience more barriers compared to the boys, and we hope that through this support of school fees and mentorship, we'll be able to level the playground between the boys and the girls, so that they're all able to finish school and pursue their dreams.
Over this holiday, we know that most of the girls are vulnerable, and they could be engaged in various activities which are not good to them. Some of them, this short holiday, they become pregnant. Some start relationships.
Kuripotiri kitasini kia unambeyemo kia Getembe kuruiga seskuru ya sekondari ya daraja mbili kutoke mijebunga ya Kitutu Chache South. Retira na inkoro kwa Dipon. Asanya.